Noting that the world's eyes are on India, the Prime Minister highlighted that people around the globe are curious about the country. He said India
तो हमें ये भी देखना होगा कि पास्ट में क्या सवाल थे, क्या जवाब थे।
India's foreign policy earlier was about maintaining an equal distance from all nations, but now it is of equi-closeness, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Friday, and asserted that the country's efforts, innovations and opinions are valued in the world today like never before. Modi also said India is not just participating in the world order now but also contributing to shaping and securing its future. Speaking at the TV9 summit on the theme of What India Thinks Today, Modi said, "Today, India is not just a nation of dreams but also a nation that delivers." Taking an apparent swipe at opposition parties for their criticism of probe agencies like the Enforcement Directorate, ED, he said those who looted public money have had to return it. The ED is being abused day and night. But it has recovered more than 22,000 crore rupees. This money is being returned legally to those from whom it was looted, he said. Noting that the world's eyes are on India, the Prime Minister highlighted that people around the globe are curious about the country. He said India, which was the 11th largest economy in the world after 70 years of independence, rose to occupy the 5th spot in a span of only 7-8 years. Citing a report of the International Monetary Fund, IMF, Modi said India is the only major economy in the world that has doubled its gross domestic product, GDP, in the last 10 years. He further said the new middle class is beginning to witness a new life with dreams and aspirations, along with contributing to the economy and making it vibrant. India has the world's largest youth population, Modi said, noting that the country's youngsters are rapidly becoming skilled, thereby accelerating innovation. India first has become the mantra of India's foreign policy. India once followed a policy of maintaining an equal distance from all nations, of being equidistant. The current approach emphasizes being equally close to all, an equi-closeness policy, he said. The Prime Minister underscored that the global community now values India's opinions, innovations and efforts like never before. In his address, Modi also talked about India's vital role in global security, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Defying doubts, India developed its own vaccines, ensured rapid inoculation and supplied medicines to more than 150 countries, he said. The Prime Minister said to address the challenge of natural disasters, which cause immense damage to infrastructure worldwide, India took the initiative to establish the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, CDRI. The CDRI represents a global commitment to strengthening disaster preparedness and resilience, he added. Emphasizing the importance of global collaboration to tackle future challenges, particularly in energy resources, Modi highlighted India's initiative of the International Solar Alliance as a solution to ensure sustainable energy access for even the smallest nations. He highlighted the transformation from dependency to self-reliance, aspirations to achievements and desperation to development. Modi recalled that 10 years ago, the issue of toilets in villages left women with limited options, but today, the Swachh Bharat mission has provided a solution to their problem. He said in 2013, discussions about healthcare revolved around expensive treatments, but today, Ayushman Bharat offers a solution. Similarly, he highlighted that the kitchens of the poor, once associated with smoke, now benefit from the Ujjwala Yojana. The Prime Minister pointed out that in 2013, women often remain silent when asked about bank accounts, but today, more than 30 crore of them have their own bank accounts due to the Jan Dhan Yojana. The world is recognizing and accepting India's development model, he asserted. India is no longer just a nation of dreams but a nation that delivers, Modi said. He pointed out that online banking has reached every household and there is a banking touch point now within every 5-kilometer radius in the country. The Prime Minister said the government has not only expanded banking infrastructure but also strengthened the banking system. Modi highlighted that the non-performing assets (NPA) of banks have significantly reduced and their profits have reached a record high of 1.4 lakh rupees crore. He said those who looted public money are now being held accountable, adding that the ED has recovered more than 22,000 crore rupees and the money is being legally returned to the victims from whom it was taken. Stressing that efficiency leads to effective governance, Modi highlighted the importance of achieving more in less time, utilizing fewer resources and avoiding unnecessary expenditures. He said the process of filing income tax returns (ITR) is now much simpler and faster compared to earlier times. Highlighting India's transformation in the last 10 to 11 years across every sector and field, Modi emphasized the significant shift in the mindset that has taken place. He said for decades after independence, a mindset was promoted in India that considered foreign goods superior. He noted that shopkeepers would often sell their products by saying, "This is imported."
साथियों, 21वीं सदी के 25 साल बीत चुके हैं। इन 25 सालों में 11 साल हमारी सरकार ने देश की सेवा की है। और जब हम व्हाट इंडिया थिंक्स टुडे उससे जुड़ा सवाल उठाते हैं तो हमें ये भी देखना होगा कि पास्ट में क्या सवाल थे, क्या जवाब थे। इससे टीवी 9 के विशाल दर्शक समूह को भी अंदाजा होगा कि कैसे हम आत्मनिर्भरता से आत्मनिर्भरता तक, एस्पिरेशन से अचीवमेंट तक, डिस्परेशन से डेवलपमेंट तक पहुंचे हैं। आप याद करिए, एक दशक पहले गांव में जब टॉयलेट का सवाल आता था तो माताओं बहनों के पास रात ढलने के बाद और भोर होने से पहले का ही जवाब होता था। आज उसी सवाल का जवाब स्वच्छ भारत मिशन से मिलता है। 2013 में जब कोई इलाज की बात करता था तो महंगे इलाज की चर्चा होती थी। आज उसी सवाल का समाधान आयुष्मान भारत में नजर आता है। 2013 में किसी गरीब की रसोई की बात होती थी तो धुएं की तस्वीर सामने आती थी। आज उसी समस्या का समाधान उज्ज्वला योजना में दिखता है। 2013 में महिलाओं से बैंक खाते के बारे में पूछा जाता था तो चुप्पी साध लेती थी। आज जनधन योजना के कारण 30 करोड़ से ज्यादा बहनों का अपना बैंक अकाउंट है। 2013 में पीने के पानी के लिए कुएं और तालाबों के तक जाने की मजबूरी थी। आज उसी मजबूरी का हल हर घर नल से जल योजना में मिल रहा है। यानी सिर्फ दशक नहीं बदला बल्कि लोगों की जिंदगी बदली है। और दुनिया भी इस बात को नोट कर रही है, भारत के डेवलपमेंट मॉडल को स्वीकार रही है। आज भारत सिर्फ नेशन ऑफ ड्रीम्स नहीं बल्कि नेशन दैट डिलीवर्स भी है।